What's up guys, how are you? My name is Abdul Muiz, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my new apartment in One South Gardens, and I'm going to give you the whole building tour. Let's go with it. This is One South Mall, and right now I'm outside Gardens and Park. So both have the same entrance. This is my news. Later I will make a vlog of One South, like show all the markets. You can see there are supermarkets just down here, and I mean they have almost everything. So let's get into the building. Okay, so on the left side is Park and on the right side is Gardens. The benefit of living in Park or Gardens is that you have access to 2 gyms and 2 pools. I will show you how. Let's get into the building towards the left. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Tutors Academy. They are assignment helpers, lab reports, FYPs, whatever you have, just text them. The link is in the description. I mentioned them in the video, in the previous video as well. They are good at what they do. They deliver on time, and they will first show you the sample, and then you make the remaining payment. So then they will send you the proper file and everything. So you can just text them. The link is in the description, and let me know how it goes. Some of the students tried them when I mentioned them in the previous video, and they have good results. So once you do, just let me know how it goes out. Instead of using ChatGPT or whatever it is, it's better if you get someone else to do it, because ChatGPT is not good. If you get caught, it's gonna be a problem. Either you do it by yourself or you just get someone else to do it. Okay, so let's get into the video. So guys are working out. This is the gym of Gardens. I usually don't come here because I don't like this gym. I go to the one in Park, but the pool of Gardens is better. Okay, there inside you have like what is it, table tennis and badminton as well. This is badminton. I mean, table tennis is also here. This is like a small park for children, and here you have the pool. It's raining right now. Nice. This is the pool. It is quite nice actually. There you have the Palace of the Golden Horses. I mean, Gardens is, I mean, this view is actually good. It's really good. So in One South, in the buildings, you can get like studio apartments, 3-bedroom apartments, and you can also get duplex apartments. So I mean, here you have a lot of varieties of apartments. It's not only like Parkhill, like only 3-bedroom apartments or 5-bedroom apartments. Now we are going towards Park Gym. So now we are going towards Park, and they also have a supermarket on 2nd floor. This is where it is. You can just go in. We usually get water bottles and stuff from here because we don't have a water filter yet. And this is Park's pool. I mean, both of these pools are actually quite nice. Gardens is just bigger, but you have access to both of them. You can just go to whoever you want. Weather is nice. And there is the gym. I didn't bring my card, so I cannot access this right now. But this gym is actually better than one in Gardens. So let's go to the apartment now. Okay guys, so this is our apartment. Let's enter. This is the lounge. So the apartment was included with the furniture, table chair, couch, LED, and center table. This is the master room. My friend is not at home, so I will not show you the room right now because it's locked. And this is the kitchen. So you get your gas stove, exhaust, and then this is our stuff definitely, and your fridge. And this is the laundry area. We have the washing machine from the owner. The rest of the stuff is ours. As you can see, the cabinets if you want to see. This is how the cabinets are. I mean, it's decent. It's good. And from the lounge, let me show you. So this is One South down here. I will make a vlog of One South market as well. I mean, the restaurants and everything, because I've been getting comments about that. How is the area around here? As you can see, that train track is the MRT. This is new MRT line, so we can just walk there. And if you skip the bus here, then you can just go there as well. Also, the other bus, the APU bus, it comes down here, backside of gardens, so you can go from there. And this is one side gardens. So the building next to us, front one is Park. Then you have the one beside that is Flora. Then you have Zeta, and on this side you have Flexes and others. Okay, let's go inside. This is the medium room. He's not at home as well. This is the washroom, shared washroom, and the master room has its own washroom. And this is my room. And this is the view from my room. It's decent, it's not bad. I mean, the window is quite nice. I missed it. In my last apartment, in the last room, there was no window. So in this one, there is. So it's nice, actually. Okay, so my friend is back, and this is the medium room. This is a queen bed, cupboard, everything included by the owner, side table. This is the view from his room. Aircon and everything is included by the owner. And the rent for this room is 700. So this is the apartment, and we pay 2,100 ringgit for this apartment without utilities. So our utilities come up to like 170 to 250 for electricity. Our water bill comes around like 30, 40 ringgit, and our Wi-Fi is 100 ringgit per month for the first 6 months, and then it will be like 140 or 150, something like that. So if you guys want an apartment in One South, like your friends or One South, you can also get like studio apartments for couples and stuff, or just want you two friends and you want an apartment all by yourself, you can also get that as well. And let's say you're living in APU and you want to move out, this One South is quite near to APU as well. And the benefit of One South is that it is quite accessible. Everything is quite accessible here. You have a lot of restaurants like Arab restaurants, Syrian restaurants, Pakistani restaurants, and then you have mamak stalls as well, mamak restaurants as well. Then you have like gaming areas like Titans and stuff. You can smoke shisha, you can drink, eat, and everything. Drinking, I'm not sure about that, but I will not advertise that even if it is. So that's it. If you want, you can just text me and I will help you out. So this is it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.